everyone, I hope you're all well and welcome to today's video. In this video we are going to be looking at level 15 to level 16, and the goal for this level is to find the password, which is retrieved by submitting the password of the current level to this port on localhost using this kind of encryption. And these are some of the messages that you're likely to get, so once we look at the manual we can understand what they mean. These are some of the commands that we may need to solve this level, and this is some helpful reading material. And this is a predictor of what command we're going to use. Now, we have been told that we can retrieve it by submitting the password to this port on localhost using this. So this is similar to the previous level, only that this time we're using encryption, since in Netcat the traffic is not encrypted. How we use this kind of encryption in Linux is through OpenSSL. As you can see, it is one of the commands here. What I'm going to do is, first of all, we're going to log in to this user Bandit 15 using the password that we retrieved in the previous level. And then from here, now let us check out all about OpenSSL. So this OpenSSL is a command for this that runs this tool, and these are some of the uses of OpenSSL. And then these are some of the commands that you can use alongside them. We are going to be using this client, the S client. As you can see, it implements a generic client using the same encryption, which will establish a connection to a remote server speaking that kind of encryption. Yes, this is all about it. If you need to learn more about it, then you can just have a look at it. Now, how we connect to this level, to this user, is that we use OpenSSL, and how we do that in terms of commands is by running OpenSSL S client and then connect to that server, and then localhost, that is where we're going to be connecting to, and of course we need to specify the port number. I believe it was that. Let me confirm. Yes, that was the port. Yes, so you should get an output like this to confirm that indeed you have connected. This is just the output that you get, since, as you know, this is a form of encryption, so there's a lot of exchanges happening. Now, once the cursor is blinking and nothing else is happening, then it means you can simply paste the password in there, and then it will output correct, and then now the password for the next level. That was it. That was how you needed to go about it. Yeah, you feel free to check out more about OpenSSL, encryption in general, and yeah, this is the differences between OpenSSL, Netcat, and all these others. And you can also check out this material so that you can understand what this type of encryption is all about, how it works, and how OpenSSL can be used to make that happen. That is all for this level. That is all for this video. I will see you in the next one, and yeah, thank you and bye bye.